Okay, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. We're going to focus on solving the equation algebraically, and in the next video, we'll focus on solving the equation geometrically. These two expressions are equal to each other, and so we're also being asked if they're equal to each other, for what value of x will they be having the same outcome, or the same value for y. So the first thing we're going to set up, step one, is isolate all variable terms. Okay, what does that mean? That means, well, if I look at this equation here, this whole equation, I notice my variables are on both sides of the equation. So that's my objective right here. Isolate all variable terms. And in doing so, I'll be using SADMER, remember it's PEMDAS backwards, to sort of move around my pieces that are variable terms, group them together, and then on the opposite side of the equation, my other values, constants, or even sometimes other variables. Okay, so this was 7. So we're adding 7 to both sides. We have a 0 pair. So we have 3x equals 2x plus 8. My next step, well, I want to group all my variable terms onto one side of the equation symbol. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides, or in this case, subtract 2x. This becomes a 0 pair, right? And my final answer is this. I have 3x minus 2x. I'm left with 1x equals 8. Okay, and so what does that mean? So we did the arithmetic before I summarize, and then 3, summarize. What does this mean? This means that if I would to choose a value for x, the only number that would work, that would these two expressions set be equal to each other, would be only 8. If I choose any other number, it's not going to work. Okay, and this is what it means to solve an equation algebraically. We're answering that these two expressions are equal only when x equals 8. Okay, what's the output, you might ask? Well, we would plug it in here. 3 times 8 minus 7 is 2 times 8 plus 1. Okay, 3 times 8 is 24 minus 7 equals 16 plus 1. And my final answer is 24 minus 7, I believe, is 17, equals 16 plus 1, 17. And this checks. When are they equal? When x equals 8. What's the output? Output is 17. And this is how you solve an equation algebraically. In the next video, we'll talk about solving an equation geometrically. Until the next time.